Hello everybody and welcome back to Digital Point. Today we're going to be taking a look at the language learning app Babbel. Now, I already have an account made here. I went ahead and did that for the purpose of this video. During the sign up process, it is going to ask you a couple questions to best understand why you have the app and create courses that will really enhance your learning of the language that you select. It'll ask you questions like the language that you speak, the language you want to learn how to speak, how long you plan on using the app for each day. Then it'll go on and ask you questions like how much you already know of the language that you are looking to learn about. And it'll ask you why you want to learn the language. Is it for school? Do you have a family member that may speak a different language that you've never fully been able to communicate with? Or are you going on a trip to another country and want to familiarize yourself with words and sentences to better help your travel? For my account, I put that I want to learn French for a trip. And because I really don't know much French, I put that I didn't know a whole lot. So it has a lesson up for me here. We'll go ahead and click into it and I will work through this and show you why this is an app that you should have if you're looking to learn a new language. It'll start out with some phrases here and it'll have you match it to a picture. Go ahead and do that.
Bonjour. Au revoir.
You can also have the words spoken to you by hitting the speaker option on the pictures.
Bonjour.
Go ahead and match the terms there. And it starts you off really easy. It is nothing too crazy. It'll go through and it'll have you familiarize yourself with these three words, which are just, the basics. Hello, goodbye, and how's it going? Now this, it will speak the word to you and it'll have you select it. Obviously, I can't hear my speaker right now, so we're just gonna guess.
Ça va?
And I will likely get one of these wrong, but that's okay.
Au revoir.
So far, I guess everything is going all right. All right, lucky guess. Now it will have you take those three words that you have been learning and it'll match it to the picture. So by the end of this lesson, you should be pretty familiar with the basic hello, goodbye, and how's it going, which, again, if you're traveling to France, those are three terms that will really help you out. I have used this app several different times for trips that I've taken or just to learn a bit of a new language because that's something that I really enjoy. It's a great app. It is free to download. There is a subscription option, which in a future video we will probably go into because it does open up a lot of courses and things that you can learn about the language that you have selected. You can choose different languages. If you want to go and do a different language, you can go find that language, take the courses, learn the basics, or you can go in depth and learn even more about the language that you have chosen. Babbel is, without a doubt, the best app to learn a new language, or if there's one that you already know and you want to brush up on, it is great for that as well. So Babbel, is this an app that you already use, or what is your favorite app to learn a new language? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, we will see you in the next video.